Hi guys, so let me show you quickly मेरी mom ने मेरे लिए क्या क्या खरीदा. But no, this is an appreciation post and you will know by the end of the video what I am talking about. I just turned 28 and my mom has got a sudden obsession that she has started gifting me. And I mean हाँ वो मुझे हमेशा से बचपन से कुछ लेके आते थे मेरे लिए. I'm 28 years old mind you. And this is what she got for me. It is so cute. Why? Because she knows I love cute stuff. Even I'm 28, I still like to keep my, inside child happy and alive, buying such cute stuff just like this. This is a bow with a clip. I absolutely love it. So ऐसी कुछ random चीज़ें मेरी मम्मी लिए लाती रहती हैं. And this is another scrunchie that she got for me. And मुझे किसी का प्राइस नहीं पता ना मुझे पता कहाँ से खरीदा. And this scrunchie also has this rubber band जो कि पीछे से ऐसा aesthetic लगेगा. Then she got this for me. I cannot believe. She knows that sometimes I like to do half updo जिसमें छोटा सा यहाँ पे मैं ऐसे जूड़ा सा करती हूँ और बाकी हेयर आधा ओपन होता है. So she got this for me जो छोटे बच्चे डालते हैं अपनी छोटी छोटी पोनी टेल पे. And I absolutely love it. पहले जब my mom used to get such stuff for me, I used to be like अब मेरे लिए ये सब क्यों ला रहे हो, मैं तो ये पहनती भी नहीं. But now I am so happy that she gives me such stuff because हम लोग इतने बड़े हो जाते हैं, हम लोग enjoy करना बंद कर देते हैं. छोटा बच्चा होना is the best part, to be honest. It keeps you happy, keeps you alive. She also got this for me from DMart और एक दिन मैंने इसके साथ ना ऐसे छोटा छोटा सा वो भी किया था hair do. And I absolutely such stuff love such stuff because बचपन में when I used to be very छोटू I used to be my mom has always been very outgoing and happy, always cheerful, buying random stuff छोटा मोटा which used to make her happy and I was like इसकी ज़रूरत ही क्या है. But now as I am adult 28 years old now I totally get the vibe. And yes, definitely if you have a mother like this or anyone in your family or anyone in your life that gives you random stuff that you absolutely enjoy and reminds me of your inner child, something which is very close to your heart या फिर वो छोटी छोटी चीज़ों की आपकी याद रखते हैं कि आपको ये चीज़ें पसंद है और वो आपको गिफ्ट करते हैं, keep them close and say them thank you. And अगर आप मेरी तरह shy हो, definitely make a video like this, maybe send her in private or maybe you can post it publicly. So I hope you guys enjoyed it and thank you so much mom for giving me such random gifts. And no, I'm not very vocal about such stuff, but yes, thank you so much. I feel very appreciated. By the way, I completely forgot that she got these two earrings for me and she brings such stuff all the time. And सच बताओ जब भी मेरी मम्मी कहीं बाहर जाती हैं जैसे छोटे बच्चे नहीं होते, I just run to her and I'm like क्या लाए मेरे लिए, क्या लाए मेरे लिए. It could either be खाने का सामान or it could either be some stuff that I showed you, hair accessories, earrings, kapde. So yes, I am that kind of child, still a child at heart, and I love that my parents, my mom also helps me to keep that inner child happy. And honestly, I love all this और मैं ये सब कुछ use करने वाली हूँ. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you very soon in the next video. Bye.